Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Today the video is about Hot Wheels, color shifter and the car we have, Mini Cooper. These are 1:64 scale die-cast car which can transform into the change of different color with a touch of water. Just imagine that this is a chameleon of the car world, adapting to the environment in an instant. Right now the car is in yellow color, but with a splash of icy cold or warm water, you can see the stunning color change. These die-cast cars get a new look. It's like having two cars in one. And when you are ready for another change, simply adjust the water temperature and your car will shift back to its original color. As it doesn't take much time for the car to change its color, in fact, it happens in just a few seconds. As these die-cast cars shift to a different color, making it incredibly fun to watch this transformation. It's like a fast car race but with colors. These color change spec is quite a stress buster. I really love this. Even our body heat can change its color. So here is an example. From race cars to classic model, the color shifter comes in a variety of styles to choose from. Each one offers a unique color change which adds an extra layer of fun to your diecast collection. So whether you are a collector or a playtime enthusiast, these color shifting cars are sure to drive your world. So that's all for today. Share your thoughts, like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.